Yeah, straight back. That'll do. Thanks for joining us, guys. We didn't really steal a boat. It's just my boss's boat and he's away and he's let us borrow it. So we're taking full advantage. Brunia's here. Fat Shields is here. We've got crab pots, we've got rods, we've got the cast net. And what's the plan? Don't have much of a plan besides catch something. We don't care what it is, we just want to catch something. So first thing we're doing is getting these pots ready and getting them in the water. It's a bit windier than expected, so sorry if the video is a bit loud and annoying, but we'll try our best. The old mullet frames. The bait, the best. We got 4 of the cheap pots and two newbies.
We got a visitor.
He wants the crab bait, he's not having it. Well, I don't think so. Sorry, buddy. Get him, Shields. Get him. Got it? Got 2 more already. Just don't know where to put them because you probably can't see, but there is hundreds of crab pots around. All there, all there, all out there. Crab pots. Where to go? Shields, any ideas? No? Alright, pots are in. Not sure on those last 2, they're in a bit random positions, but we'll see.
We'll see.
Go find something to do for a few hours and come back later on. Oh, those clouds don't look very nice. So much for sunshine. Nothing much happening yet. We've decided to come to the beach and give Fat Shields a run. Hey! Hey! Go for a swim. Oh. Come on. There you go. Lovely. So majestic. Well, I don't know if you can see it, but boats. If you're ever wondering where to find prawns, just look for the boats. We're gonna have a look. We've got the net out, we'll have a few throws. Probably won't go right into the big pack because, yeah, it's not my boat, I don't want to damage it. And Brunia, well, it's only a second time prawning, so we'll see how we go. That a red? Yeah, let go of the back chain. You gotta hang on to the back chain, remember? And let go. First throw of the day. Not that good. Can I feel any?
Pull it up, pull it up.
Yeah. Don't think you got any.
Don't pull it up.
Yeah, pull it up. Okay, not the best start. Not the best start. Oh no. Oh well. Yeah. You let go of the chain again. You gotta hold on to the back chain. It still goes out, but you gotta hold it so you can stretch it open. Yeah, it was open. One big one. And again. Can you feel any jitters? Oh yeah, you got some. You've definitely got some in there.
Alright, can I pull it up?
Yeah, pull it up. There's at least one. Or it's a fish. Could be a big ball of bait. That wouldn't be ideal. Oh yeah.
Yeah, look at that. Whoa!
Oh yeah.
That's the most I've ever caught.
It is. Alright, bring it in.
Oh, sorry. They're huge too.
Yeah. Oh, second cast, there we go.
Not bad.
Hey, prawns are on. On over there too, look at that. Good work. Yeah, straight in the bucket. Couple prawns for dinner, hopefully a crab, that'd be good.
Yeah.
Good work. What do you reckon, Fatty? Hey, hey, prawns for dinner? No, stuck in there. Yeah, if you can throw it this way, yep, go. Good work. Oh, how good is prawning season? Look at it. It's the best. It's about 8 metres. Was it prawns or was I seeing something that wasn't there? A couple. There was a couple there. Nice throw. Hey? Yeah, that was good. Just don't think I'll put you on the prawns. There's just nothing much on the sounder. A lot of people throwing, but they're not getting much. Nothing. No. Throwing at ghosts. They're under the boat right now.
They're under right now.
Yeah. Oh, you got one? One's better than none. A bit late to the party, I think. They seemed to be pretty thick when we got here. Everyone was bunched up, now everyone's sort of gone, so we're not seeing much on the sounder. Damn, but oh well. You had a nice throw.
Yeah, it's good.
Off you get.
Let it wait?
Nah, just leave it for now, just in case I see something. You gonna catch this fish?
Hopefully. Probably not.
Yeah. Don't like our chances in this spot. Tide's a bit high for it. We'll see.
Come on.
You gonna get that anchor rope? Hey! Hey! Yeah, no luck on the fish. So, it's been about 3 to 4 hours, we'll go get these crab pots. Sound good? Hopefully we get a crab. Oh no, I've missed it, have I? No? It's mine? Oh yeah. Heavy? Yeah. That's good. Might be full of crabs. Oh, it's definitely got crab.
It's got a crab in it.
A female. You okay? Wow, there's a lot of crabs. Oh my god.
They're huge.
Yeah. Oh no. Oh no. There goes my drink. That's a keeper. We got one legal. Definitely. Big dog. Look at him. He's a maybe. Look at that. He's got a sticker on him.
He does too. What the hell?
Fisheries research. Huh.
Oh, so is that why we can't keep him?
That one's a female anyway.
Oh.
With the sticker. First pot, first crab. Not a bad one either. Hopefully we get a few more. Better check he's legal. Yep. So if you didn't know, in Queensland, mud crabs have to be 15 centimetres and you can only keep the males, which have this pointy bit here. Females, you'll see, they have the big rounded bit. He's coming home.
His claws are huge.
That's the first. This female has a little fisheries sticker on it. It says to text, photo and date. Trying to,
Do I take a photo?
yeah, take a couple. Take one like that. Yeah, I've never seen that before, so we'll take a photo, send it in. Healthy looking female crab. As you can see by the female. Get her back in. There you go. Cool. That's a first. This guy here, he's got some war wounds or something. Look at that. He's been feeding, mate, look. No, he's not legal. Let him go. I don't think any of them are. Got crabs in it.
Oh yeah.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah.
Ah, it's got a massive female
Oh, that's disappointing.
and a little male. Yeah, they probably walked out. These pots are terrible. Look, all the bait's gone.
Yeah.
Oh no, they probably just walked out. Like, look at that. They can just walk out of there. Oh, none. I was just saying they can crawl out, and look what happens. Look at that. That's, yeah, that's shit. I'm getting rid of these pots. All the bait's gone. That was probably thick, full of crabs.
Yeah.
Little boy. Oh shit! Little angry boy. Watch out, Shields.
Oh no, that's tangled in rope.
Little cranky boy. Little rusty boy too. He's even got a little star. He's a good crab, but he's too small. Dangerous.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a good pot. This better have crabs. If it doesn't, we're in trouble.
Oh, it's heavy again.
Down to the boat. Oh, there it is. Hey?
I see one crab.
Holy shit! Wow! Wow, 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 we got one. Shields, back it up. Wow! There's so many big females in there. Alright, I'm going to take this out there and then we'll sort. Have a go at that. That's heavy. You've got two keepers in there. Oh. Him.
Oh god, careful.
Yeah. Nice. Ah, easy. Easy. Good. Yeah, get a better look at him. Nice. Rusty too, that's good. Thank you. Everything's legal. Easy. Number 3. That's awesome.
That feels.
One thing's for sure, high quality crab pots. Way better. Another dud pot. And what do you know? No crabs. Don't have high hopes for these two. They're dud pots and they're just kind of out in the middle and they're coming in hot. Oh, I've missed it. I missed it? Got it?
Oh.
That could be a big nail. Oh, do you like give it a wash and mud in it? Is that? That could be illegal. He might be on here.
Oh, he's crazy.
He's angry. Is it possible? Let go.
Oh.
Might be number 4. And he's in. Number 4. Oh yeah. Nice. Sick. He not. Oh, it's a good one from the dud. It's close. No baby. Here we go, lucky last. We finish it off with a big horse. Hey Shelley, you trying to get in on some of the action?
Oh, this feels heavy.
Does it? Oh, it's probably just because we're moving. Is it in neutral? Yeah, I think it's just because we're moving. Use those muscles. There's your hands.
Yeah, so.
Oh, Shields, you don't want to be up here, you get nipped.
Oh.
Oh no! Finished off with a donut.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh,
Oh well.
I'm stoked, we got 4. Oh, we're the bad boys. Nice. Time to get out of here, that was fun. 4 legal muddies, that good? Stoked?
Awesome. Yeah.
Couple prawns, nothing too crazy. No fish, but
No fish.
the plan was crabs, so. See you back at the ramp. Well, we ran out of light outside, so we've come inside and done the big cook up. Here we go. How good is that? A tray full of my crab. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you guys liked it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next episode.
See you later.